Hey everybody, it's Phineas. Ooh, it's dark in here. It is dark. I just want to jump on real quick. I'm going to be cleaning out my freezers and organizing them. They've gotten away from me. I got 2 chest freezers and then a regular freezer in the the fridge freezer. It's so unorganized. It got away from me, and I hate that. It drives me nuts. But I just heard on another channel that there might be a run on eggs. Because like my store and a lot of your stores, you walk in, there's a sign, a limit to, and all the eggs are pretty much gone. Well, I guess in Georgia and Alabama, and those states in that area, they halted sales of poultry for the time being. So some people are saying there's gonna be a run on eggs. So if you like eggs, run out and get you some eggs and pick up your 2 if you can find any. But I'm not a big egg guy. They got too expensive, so I don't really. I have some in there now because I had some for a recipe, and I won't. It's so dark, and I won't. I probably won't buy any for a little while. It's okay. I like eggs. Okay, let's go. Let's go clean these. Well, not clean. Organize these chest freezers. They become a mess, and that drives me nuts. I mean, there's just no organization. I mean, it's just a cluster. So I need to, I'll show you the other one too. It's just such a mess. Ooh. That drives me nuts. So I'm gonna try to have a little organization. Remember those 25 bags of chicken? I still got a bunch left. Man, that's a lot of work. I'm worn out already. Got a lot of food. That's why it's not a big deal if I slow down buying. I need to slow down. I got plenty. I still have this one yet. And then I got a pantry and another, other freezer. It's too much. Light's not here either. All right, let me get some organized and I'll get back to you. All right, we got one organized here. Let's check it out. That's better. That looks way better. All right, let's see this one now. We have done this one yet. I'm gonna do it now. Look at the difference. It's so nice when it's organized. That is terrible. All right, let me get to it. A lot of sausage. A lot of cold cuts too. shredded cheese. All right, me doing a clean out here. It's obvious that I gotta chill out and buy food. I'll never be able to eat all this. I gotta learn to say no to a deal. So I'm going to start buying a lot less food the next couple months. In January this month, I cut way back. It's obvious I'm gonna cut back some more. Cool Whip. That was for the banana split cake, but I couldn't find it buried in the freezer, so I had to go buy another one. See? Unorganized, cost me money. Just look at this. Oh man. That's too much. Yeah, that's not good. That's not going to save me money if I don't eat it or it goes to waste. So I gotta chill. This let me see like, whoa, I got enough for a while. Cause I mean, how can I eat all this? I live alone. All right, so I'm gonna organize this, put it back, sit down and contemplate what am I doing with my life. All right, I don't want to be a food hoarder. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna rein it back a bit. I'm gonna organize this, and then I'm just gonna be. Next couple months, I'm just going to chill with food. Food buying. Tater tots, right? You guys ever had tater tot casserole? Where you take some ground beef or ground chicken, you take some shredded cheese, a can of cream or mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup, mix it all together, top it with tater tots, top it with shredded cheese, put in the oven. I just bought one of these because I couldn't find this bag. See? This is bad. This is not being frugal. So much bread. This is the Aldi bread. I don't have the Aldi in my city, so when I go to Aldi, I do stock up. Oh, holy moly. And that was all bread. Then I got all these rolls for the ham sliders and turkey sliders. Especially when it goes to spot the red dot. All these are for the ham sliders, man. All right. Now, just a ton of sausage. If you're wondering where the vegetables are, they're in the root cellar. I won't show you that today, though. I mean, more sausage. Some bacon. Let's put that in this one. Oh, let's shut this too. More sausage. More sausage. These are breakfast pot pies. Sausage and gravy deep dish. They're actually pretty good. Let's put all my cheese in this one. Easy to get to. Turkey meat. Oh, ground chicken, not turkey. Alright. Some bologna. These are some leftover from the holidays. The little smoky beanie weenies. I couldn't throw them away, so I froze them. Okay. And of course, man, I'm worn out. Alright. This one doesn't look as organized as that one. I'm breathing hard. Ooh. But it's better than it was, and maybe I can find some stuff now. Man, I'm worn out. Alright. That's a damn shame. I cleaned out 2 freezers and I'm worn out. I'm still waiting for a Grubhub order, but it's dead today. Alright, let's go look at this other freezer. The fridge freezer. I'm not gonna watch the light automatically come on. I'm not gonna clean it right now. But let's see. It's not horrible, but it needs a little bit of fixing up. Alright, that's what I'm doing on this Saturday. It's starting to get warm. Oh, want to see Baby Love? Baby Love. Baby Love. She's not far from her electric blanket. Baby Love. What are you doing, Baby Love? Alright, you see she didn't help me clean those freezers out. Alright, I hope you guys have a good one. Just want to pop on real quick to say hi and admit, hello, my name is Phineas, and I think I'm a food hoarder. I got to chill. It's enough. I'm gonna really think on that. I really consciously gonna stop buying food for a little while. It just got too much, and it makes no sense. If any of this goes to waste, then it's the opposite of being frugal. So I gotta put that in check. Save me a few bucks next couple of months. If I don't buy a lot of food, you know, let's save a couple bucks. I had a plumbing issue over the weekend, last weekend, $209. They came on a Saturday. It wasn't fixed, so they had to come back on a Monday, and it's fixed. But that was $209, gone. But it's fixed, and it could have been a lot worse. $209 is not horrible for a plumbing issue. But see how those unexpected expenses pop up? Ooh, they keep coming. And my car insurance was due. I paid for 6 months because you get a little discount. $355. My car insurance went up for the year like $85. My homeowner's insurance went up about $65 for the year. My internet just went up $5 per month. And my income didn't go up at all. So just think about that. That's $150 to $160 of less food I could buy. Well, I don't need any food, but less savings I can have because my income didn't go up, but the prices keep going up. All right, I'm worn out. I gotta think about getting in better shape if that wore me out. You know. I'll see you guys next one. Thank you so much for watching.